friends, and happy Monday. Welcome to Craft with Us. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brittany, and I'm the head of children's here at the Winchester Public Library. But most everybody calls me Miss B. Not because we're formal in any way, just because it's easier to say. All right, thank you to those of you who picked up our craft bags this morning. We are making a tissue paper campfire. Perfect for summer, right? Okay, so if you got our bag, you know you've got one sheet of black construction paper, one piece of orange tissue paper, or red tissue paper, or yellow tissue paper. You have some combination of those colors. You have two popsicle sticks and a glue stick. This one is pretty easy to do at home if you didn't grab our craft bag. You can quickly eat a couple of popsicles if you need some popsicle sticks, or maybe you have some lying around. You can also grab a toilet paper tube, or a paper towel tube, or even a gift wrap tube, and just like cut a little bit off of one. Even a brown paper bag from the grocery store will work. Just sort of cut it into a log-ish shape would be totally fine. Just something that kind of rises off the paper a little bit, just to give you a little kind of log-like texture. And if you have brown paper bag, you can maybe even crumple it up a little bit so that it kind of has those ridges like a log does. Just an idea. All right, so this one is super simple and fun. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to glue our popsicle sticks in the shape of an X. So this is sort of the base of our campfire on our paper. So make sure you want to glue it at the bottom of your paper, so you give your fire flames some chances to rise up. So if you glue your sticks way up here, up at the top, you're not going to have a lot of room for your flames. So try to hit it at the bottom. Try to glue them at the bottom of your black construction paper. So let's get to gluing. That's the fun part, right? All right, so put some glue on one, and then we'll let it dry as we rip up our tissue paper. So we'll have some time for our glue to dry. Oof, I got a little carried away with my glue. All right, so there's one X. We press, then put a little bit in the middle, and then some on the paper too. Okay, if it's not perfect, that's okay, right? You can always slide, just like that. Slide it up a little bit, and slide it down a little bit. And there we go. And then we press for a few minutes, and we're gonna let it dry. And then we're gonna rip up our tissue paper. How fun is that, right? We're just gonna rip it, because if you've ever seen a fire, it's not uniform, doesn't look the same. Every time you look at the flames, it looks a little different. So just rip them up. Maybe you want big flames, maybe you want teeny flames. That's totally up to you, however you want to do it. All right. And then it's up to you how you want to put your tissue paper down once you start ripping and once you get everything ready to go. Okay. All right, so I'm going to get started and show you. And you can use all of your tissue paper or some, totally up to you. So let me show you what it looks like. So put some of this, and really, I would just smear some glue down and just start gluing into the X. See, I'll show you. So kind of make a V and fill it in with your glue. See, you can see mine's purple. See where it is right there? All right, so then you just start gluing it down. If you want to wrinkle it up a little bit, go right ahead. All right, there you go. Now all we need is marshmallow, right, friends? All right, there we go. And then you can do a couple of layers. You can layer your flames. All right. Glue. I'm going to put some red right there, like that, and curl it up so that it looks like flames. Oh, it looks really cool, friends. Okay, I'm gonna do a little more right here, like that. And if you want to have it, make it 3D, you can make it come off the page if you want a little bit. There we go. All right. And you can keep going if you want. You can make your flame bigger or smaller. Move my stuff out of the way so you can see my campfire. Pretty cool, huh? Right? I thought that one's really fun and really easy to do. And again, makes me want a marshmallow, right, friends? All right. So that was our super easy, super fun, no matches required campfire. Safe for all, right? All right. So my friends, we are counting down days of Craft with Us. Craft with Us ends in August, and then we'll have some new programs. And for those of you who don't know, the children's room is under renovation, so sometime in the next couple of months, Miss B is hoping for October, we'll have a nice shiny new children's room ready and waiting for you. So thank you so much for joining me. Craft with Us will run through the entire summer right up to the very last Monday in August, and craft bags can be picked up at 9 a.m. on the blue cart right outside the doors of the parking lot entrance, and they are first come, first served. And as always, my friends, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send us an email or give us a call or come on in now that we're open Monday through Saturday, 9:30 to 5:30. You can always send us a message at WinPubLib right here on Instagram. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining us today. And if you missed this or you want to watch it again, it'll be up on our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube page in just a few minutes. But thank you so much again for making a campfire with me. All right, friends, as always, be safe, be kind, wash your hands, and wear your mask. See you next time.